7k plus 3.
7.
Negative 5 plus negative 5 equals
7
7.
plus 3 equals negative 6 plus 4x. Now, theoretically, this is 7k plus 3. I like to substitute all of my variables for x. Okay, I just like to put x in for all of my variables.
Does it help you?
Are those the notebooks back there?
I don't get it.
You didn't see any? Those are notebooks down there, and that one that you just picked up, pulled up. What about the other one next to it? Spiral notebooks? No. Keep searching. I'm sorry. He said back cabinet.
I would do like every time.
Oh my goodness. Go to him and ask him again. I'm sorry. So.
Wait, real quick. How did you get negative 2 for number 2 if it's negative 5?
We're doing 3.
I know
You
we're
did-
doing 3, but it's like.
I did number 1.
I know, but I'm talking about numbers because either way.
Negative 5 divided by, or 10 divided by negative 5.
Negative 2? Is that? Oh, that's where I got off. Okay, sorry. I got something wrong. No, sorry. Keep going. Sorry.
All right. So number 3. We have 7k plus 3 equals to negative 6k plus 4k. Now, instead of k's, I put x's.
Fine.
So,
The chicken.
do we combine like terms right here?
No. Yes.
No. We do?
No, chicken.
there's no
No, we don't. Okay, you do not have 2 of the same term on the same side of the equal sign. Okay, we have different terms. All right, but what side of the equal sign do we want to get our x's on?
The same side.
The same side. But which side would you like for it to be
The
on?
right side.
The right side?
Yeah. Not the left side.
Left
right
side?
You want them to be on this side?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know. I like the right
I
side.
mean,
better.
it ends up on this side.
Let's put them on the left side. Now, honestly, I don't care what side of the equal sign you put your x's on. Okay? If you choose to put your x's on the right side, your answer better be right. All I care about is the right answer. Your whole equation of how you get to it can be your way. Okay? All I care about is if your answer is correct from all of that work. Okay? Understood? So
Sí, señor.
how are we going to get this 4x to the other side?
You are going to
Crosses the road.
Subtract it, yes. What you do on one side, you must?
do on the other side. It's
Do we subtract the 4x from the 3?
No.
No, we subtracted by the
No.
7.
It's not the same.
Subtract it from the 7x.
Yeah.
So, and because y'all are algebra 2,
It's negative 3k.
we're gonna move a little bit fast right here. So we're gonna subtract this 3 right here to the other side, right?
Yeah,
What are we
so-
gonna subtract the 3 from?
From the 6, so it's
So negative 6.
3.
Negative.
Okay? So that crosses out, that crosses out. 7x minus 4x is what?
3x.
Negative
3x.
3x.
3x. and
Negative
that's
6
nine.
minus 3 is what?
Negative 9.
Negative 9.
And then divide by 300.
Okay.
Be negative 3.
3.
X equals
X equals what?
negative 3.
Negative 3.
Oh yeah, guys, we did it.
Y'all good?
Yeah.
Whoa.
You sure?
Whoa.
Are you good? Y'all, you good? Did you understand it? Did you understand it? Did you understand it? Yeah? Did you understand it?
Yeah.
Did you understand it?
Alright.
He's out.
So-
He's out.
Number
I think he's sleeping.
5.
Oh, he's not sleeping. Did you understand it?
5.
Number 5.
I like his curly hair.
Oh.
We have 7.
7.
N plus 8
Hey.
Ooh, this one's
equal to
easy.
91. We already said combine like terms. What are we discussing right here? What's happening right here?
You are going to do rainbow.
Multiplication.
Rainbow. I call it rainbow. Distribute.
Yes.
Distribute. I call
This
it.
is multiplication. Yeah, I mean, the distribution property is dealing with multiplication.
Oh,
And you are drawing a little bit of a rainbow. Let me show you what he means, y'all. Distributive property. Okay? Distributive property. The distributive property states A, parentheses, B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. A, parentheses B minus C is equal to AB minus AC. Let's see, negative A, B plus C is equal to negative A, B minus AC. Negative A, parentheses, B minus C is equal to negative AB plus AC. Reason why he said you will be drawing a rainbow is because when dealing with the distributive property, it does not matter what is on the outside of these parentheses right here. If you draw this, boom,
Boom.
boom,
A rainbow.
it's a rainbow. All right? A times B is equal to AB. A times C is equal to AC. A times a positive B is still equal to AB. A times a negative C, positive times a negative is equal to a negative AC. All right? Jaden's sitting here just smiling at me like, are you serious? Like, this is our first lesson?
I know, I'm
About to ace the mess out of here. I wish I was here yesterday to ace this pretest.
That's what you think.
Yet he spared me the mess.
Okay? It does not matter what is on the outside of the parentheses, okay? Well, no.
It's the inside that counts.
What? What matters is that you just multiply it by everything on the inside of the parentheses. So, for instance, this 7 right here, you multiply it by the n. 7 times n is what? 7n, okay? Whenever I say 7 times a variable, or that number times a variable, it's that number and the variable, okay? So if I say 7 times n, it's 7n. What you doing, Dustin? Who you texting? Oh, because you staring at your leg too long. What's happening? Let's work, people. 7 times 8.
56.
56.
So it's plus 56. Then you
Equal
take
to
the
91,
bring it
okay?
down. Then you do like terms, you do negative 56.
Wait, slow it down, slow it down.
Slow it down, John. Slow it
I
down.
thought we were going fast.
I mean, yeah, we going fast.
You gotta speed up, man.
This is Algebra 2, so we can go fast. But hold on.
I thought we were going kneel.
This is also for those people online too.
Oh.
You feel me? So, we gotta get the 7n by itself, right? How are we gonna do that?
By subtracting 56.
Exactly. We're right back to square one of number 1. Our first equation that we did. So, subtract 56. Subtract 56. Right? What you do on one side, you must do on the other. They cancel out. 7n is equal to what?
34. Negative 35. 35?
Yes, it's
I think I missed
35.
Why do I need this?
Yeah,
Not negative, it's just 35.
I know.
91 minus 56.
I know.
Right? Obviously, we divide, therefore n is equal to
5.
There we go.
Cinco.
Jaden, if you look on the back of your worksheet on number 5, you see it? Okay? So, and this is how you check your work.
Yes.
Okay?
Ow.
Number 9. Number 9 is just like number 7, except it's on steroids. Actually, 9 through 12 is just like number 7 and 8, except they're just on steroids right there. All
Not
right?
bad though. I think the one. Okay, so for number 7, do you do the distributive property to 2 or no?
What's happening?
Do you do the distributive property for number 2, or is that only when you have them in parentheses?
Well, they have.
For number 7?
Yeah,
like terms.
Okay, so for number 7, hold on. This is where we put it all together right here, okay? So for number 7, you have 2 minus 4x minus 1 equal to negative 30 plus 2x, right? the first things first. First thing that you do is what, John? Thanks, Carlos.
He said,
So we do the distributive property, right? We get rid of these parentheses, okay?
Because I've done math problems where you've had to do the 2, 2, and I don't know where that runs in.
Exactly. It's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna show you where. So we bring the 2 down. We bring everything down, right?
Yeah.
Negative 4 times x is what?
X, negative 4x.
Negative 4x. Okay? Negative 4 times a negative 1 is what?
Positive 1.
Oh, yeah.
Positive
4, sorry.
Positive 4.
Not 1, sorry.
Equal to a negative 30 plus 2x. What is this looking like now? It's looking like question number 3 that we did.
Yeah.
No, it's looking like question number 1 that we did. Combining your like terms. Right? Because since we got rid of these parentheses, now we have a 2 and we have a positive 4, right?
Yeah.
Positive 6.
So, exactly. Negative 4x plus 6 is equal to a negative 30 plus 2x. All right? Subtract this 2x to the other side. Add, subtract this 6 to the other side. Therefore, that cancels out. That cancels out. We have a negative 4x plus, minus 2x is what?
Negative 6x.
Negative 6x equal to
14. Oh, no, 34. 24.
Negative 36.
Thank you, McCoy.
Oh.
Negative 36. You got 2 negatives right here. What did I just say in the beginning, man?
I didn't see that, I'm sorry.
I'm tripping.
I am. It's the marathon, baby.
All right. Divide the negative 6 on both sides. X is equal to
6.
Thank you. Okay? Numbers 9 through 12. Numbers 9 through 12 is just like this, except you're going to have a distributive property on the other side. You're going to have a distributive property on both sides of the equal sign, okay? Any questions?
I don't understand.
I had a question, but I completely forgot.
Yo, I can't with y'all. I'm trying to film here. Come on. Seniors.